Hi grade 7s, welcome to lesson 8 part 3. In this lesson we will be going through multiplying decimals with decimals, and this can be found on page 100 in your textbook. So again, let's first read through the rules or the steps. So step 1, count the number of digits after the comma with both numbers. Remove both commas. Step 3, multiply as you normally would with whole numbers. Step 4, once you have your answer, add the commas back in by counting the number of digits from the back of the answer. So the only difference here to the last or the previous lesson where we multiplied decimals with whole numbers, now we're working with two decimals. So we're just counting the number of spaces for both decimals. Okay, so example 1a is 0,42 times 0,3. So again, we're going to count the spaces after both commas. So we've got 1, 2, 3 spaces. Okay, so we're working with the 3 space. Step 2, remove the commas. Okay, so we've got 42 times 3. Work out your answer. So that is 129. Step 4, once you have your answer, add the commas back in. So we have 3 spaces, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. The comma then goes before the 1. Remember, decimal, we can never have a blank space before a comma. If there's nothing there, we put in a 0. So this final answer is 0,129. Then example 1b, same thing, we're going to count the spaces. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits. Remove the comma, so we've got 234 times 481. So we now need to go and work out this answer. 481. Okay, so we're going to use a multiplication sum. Right, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. So we're done with the 1. Remember, when you're done with the number, we need to add in our 0. 8 times 4 is 32. Write down the unit. Carry the tens. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 3, because we've carried the 3 there, is 27. So write down the unit. Carry the tens. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Now we're done with the 8 and those little numbers, so now we need to add 2 zeros. Remember to keep your numbers in nice columns. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16, so we write down the 6, we carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1, 13. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we're done with everything, so we can add it all up. Okay, 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 2 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. Okay, so there's our answer. Now we need to go count backwards 4 places. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So your final answer will be 11,2554. So once again, very similar method to the previous lesson. You need to count the spaces, you need to remove the comma, work out your answer and add in the comma back right at the end.